Hey everyone, welcome back to Builder YouTube channel. Today is a special day because we are diving into the world of mechanical keyboards, and even more exciting, we have a custom keyboard build to introduce to you all. This is a very special one because it's for my good friend who is a first time mechanical keyboard owners. But before we get into the nifty gritty details, let's take a moment to appreciate this beauty. The custom mechanical keyboard that is a work of art. The Keycon V2 which comes with the XM switches. This and paired with the gorgeous transparent MDA profile PBT keycap, which is no exceptions. So now let's talk about what truly sets this keyboard apart. So the feel and the sound. The XM switches provides an incredible satisfying tactile feel with every keystroke. When you press a key, you will feel a distinct bump, letting you know that your input has been registered. And it's a sensation that is hard to describe, but it's easy to fall in love with. It adds a level of precision and feedback that makes typing a joy. But it's not just about the feel, it's also about the sound. When it comes to the sound, this keyboard with the transparent MDA profile PBT keycaps creates a simplified or clicks goodness. Each key press produces a crisp and satisfying key sound that is a music to the ear of mechanical keyboard enthusiasm. It's not overly loud to be a distinctive, but enough to provide a audible confirmation of your keystroke. Customization is another key aspect of your mechanical keyboard, and we have embraced it fully. With this MDA profile PBT keycap is not only to enhance the feel but also the sound and gives the keyboard a unique visual experience. They are not just keycaps, but they are an expression of style and personality. This transparent design allows the RGB backlighting to shine through beautifully, adding to the overall aesthetics. Before we talk about the conclusion, let's hear the sound test. In conclusion, the Keychron B2 keyboards use the M-Jade, SM-Jade switches and paired with a gorgeous transparent MDA profile PBT keycap. It offers an extraordinary typing experience that is perfect for both newcomers to the mechanical keyboard world and seasoned enthusiasts. It's not just only a tool, but it's a piece of art that signifies a quickie satisfaction. The tactile feel and exciting quick sound makes every keystroke a pressure, and the stunning keycaps add that extra layer of touch and style and personalization. If you found this video interesting or you have any questions about the feel and sound of the custom keyboard, please leave a comment down below. We would love to hear your thoughts on the Keychron B2 with its unique combination of switches and keycaps. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Ring the notification bell so that you never miss an update from Buildsworld. Thank you for watching.